Good morning, guys. How are you guys? This is Scania engine, guys. The problem, guys, is there is air leak, and then I will check the leak, guys. I found this air compressor, guys. See, guys, the air compressor is the relief valve. See, guys, the relief valve lock is disappear. This is the first relief valve, and then the second relief valve. The second relief valve is the lock is damaged. I check the valve, guys. See, guys, the housing of the valve. See, guys, there is a damage. The first valve is okay, but the second valve is locked, guys. There is a eating here. See, there is the housing of the relief valve is bigger, so I cannot repair this one because this truck, guys, is warranty, so I change a new one. So I need to remove this one, guys. So I remove this one. Okay, guys. Ito siya, guys. Ito ngayon yung air compressor, guys. Kaya mag-change tayo ng bago. Ito ngayon guys yung bago guys. This is the new one. This is the old one. This one is new. This one guys, this is old compressor. This one the new compressor, and then this compressor gear I transfer here in the new one. So now I will fix now. I will put here the O-ring and the O-ring here. O-ring here and the big O-ring here also. The big O-ring we will put here. So guys, this is the O-ring guys. This is the big O-ring. And the small O-ring here guys. Like this. This one guys is 105 Newton meter. Okay guys, this is the new compressor guys. I will fix now.